So for today's video, it's going to be Dancehall Artist Rygin King and finally break him silence. So before I show you the video clip, tomorrow, Monday, July 15th, the current reigning queen of Dancehall Spice would be on the fix with Naro. She said all has been fixed. You can tune in for that. So that's the reminder, but let's get straight into Rygin King.
Hopefully, my fans and my supporters, them. You know what I say? They want make a video, you know. I never did for do it, but I have to do it. You see me? Yeah. I want to know how can I get my album to be promoted the way how I see you guys is promoting something that, you know, I don't really know 100% about. I don't even know how to try for like, you know, I'm not like that. TVJ, Smile Jamaica, the Jamaican diaspora. You see me? Yeah, I beg you, like, stop promote fuckery, bro. Like, you see me? I just drop a good album. I see what I deal with that, so. You know what I mean? Yeah,